Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to report repayment issues in Lendio. If you encounter problems making a repayment, whether due to cash flow disruptions, system errors, or just lender disputes, well, Lendio provides channels to resolve them. Just follow these steps. First, log into your Lendio account and go to the Loans tab. Then select the loan with the repayment issue. Now just click on Report an Issue, or just locate the Support or Help section. Now choose the appropriate issue type. Could be payment not processed, insufficient funds, or incorrect charges. Whatever it is, just go ahead and choose that. And then you're going to need to provide a clear description of the problem, including dates, amounts, as well as any error messages you received. Now just upload supporting documents such as bank statements or receipts to back up the claims. And once that's done, submit the report to Lendio's support team. A funding manager or lender representative will reach out with resolution steps, which may include rescheduling or correcting the repayment. You can track updates through your support tickets dashboards or via email. Now, a quick tip is reporting repayment issues immediately is going to help to avoid additional penalties and protect your business credit profile. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.